Next, we're going to talk about adding captions. Adding captions is one of the most tedious thing to do, but not with CapCut.
You can use auto caption to generate captions automatically. So just come to text and then come to auto captions and then just press create. Before you do that, if you have any other sound or background music, I would just disable it by clicking the mute clip audio here. And then I would do that before I click create. Okay, so now the captions are generated, as you can see here. So to make any adjustments, you can come here, just click one of the caption and come up to the captions tab. And let's say if you want to break them into different lines. So let's say you just want to do maybe 2 or 3 words per line. What you can do is just click here, click enter, and this will break into a different line. So for example, if you want to have a new line here, again, same thing, press enter. If you see any mistake, what you can do is just to click on the text, change it here, or you can also come to text. You could also change the text here as well. And next you can customize your text any way that you want. So one good thing to know is when you check this box, apply to all, when you make adjustments to one text box, it applies to the rest of the text box. Now, if you want to just change a specific line or specific word, what you can do is just click this, uncheck the box, and whatever changes you make after you uncheck the box will only apply to this specific line. If you want to change just one word in this sentence, and you can just highlight the word here in the text box, and then you can make that change, and that change will only apply to that specific word. And let's say if you want to add some animation, select the text, come up here to animation, and you're welcome to apply any animation you want. And let's say you want to apply for out animation, same thing, just come to the out tab, and then just select any of the animation that you want.